Hello YouTube, here I have Hosim Victor Winner 1 through 8 scale X25. This is the X25, as well as the X05. This is the 1 through 10 scale, really tiny. I don't know if this is a 1 through 10 or maybe a 1 through 12, whatever it is. Hosim tends to call their RCs a little bigger than they really look like to be. But we'll be comparing those two. Those are very different classes, but they have a very similar body style, like you can definitely see from this angle. The one being much bigger is the X25. This is the newest release of 2024. And it's been a great RC so far. I've been playing with this for a while now, haven't broke anything. I broke a lot on this one, and as you can see, the tires are wearing it down. Tires doesn't really hold that great, especially if you're running through the pavement. You will burn through these tires very fast. But you see, I have mud everywhere. I'll take the cover off. I started saying that both vehicles have skid plates on top. And with that said, let's just remove the covers. Wow, what a beautiful interior this one has. And as well as the X05. Let's start with the X05 here. The main difference on these two models, it's very easy to identify, right? First of all, you have a brushed motor, tiny brushed motor right here, and a big brushless motor over there with a fan. No fan available here, just a heat sink. This can get really hot, especially you're flipping through batteries one after the other. These connectors on both, tiny ESC with a receiver combo. Similar to this one, it's also a ESC and receiver combo, but you got a 85 amps ESC versus maybe a 30 amp ESC right here. You have all of these metal parts right here for your drive shaft. This is going to be strong, and it is very strong. You also get some metal parts in the drive shaft here, but some of the couplings are plastic. So because this doesn't really have a lot of power, it's not a big issue. It doesn't break that easy. The motor puts up not a ton of power, like I said, and then things doesn't break that often. The only thing I broke on this one was the rear hub. You can probably see there, it's a brand new hub right there because I broke it. I think it was a defective part, to be honest. Hosim didn't send me a new part. I had to purchase the new part, but that's okay. As you can see by the dust and dirt, I've been playing with this for a while now, and it's holding up pretty good so far. Suspension on this model is a friction, no oil, and it's kind of getting stuck now. The rear is a little better, but that's because I'm playing through dust and sand, and then it can jam the suspension. In the other hand, this one is almost brand new. I haven't taken this one to the dirt track yet, or to the RC track, but so far, well, it's brand new. Suspension doesn't bite at all. You have all of these drive shafts, metal drive shafts, which are beautiful and very thick. So I think it's going to hold up very well. So this is not going to be a review of both vehicles, just want to show the differences. Let's line up this on the rear wheel, and you can see how much bigger the X25 is compared to the X05. It's quite bigger than the other one. I'll put this in this way right here so I can get the lights from the sun here. Beautiful day, by the way. It's kind of cold here in Michigan. So this is probably a good time for you to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Leave your question, your comments. It really helps the channel. I'm buying these RCs. I'm not getting it for free. I'm not reviewing for for Rosin. I don't have any affiliation with them, but I just like these cars and I want to bring some content to everybody. So this is it. This is the comparison between the X25 Victor Winner to the ZENO X05, both from Rosin. And I hope that you liked, and I see you in the next one. Please like, dislike, leave your comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.